What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just thought I would bring you a driving video because the Mustang hasn't been on the road in a while. So I just switched over insurances. This is something that I talked about doing in, I think, 3 uploads ago when I did the waxing and stuff on the car. I was talking about how there was just liability on the car. So that was an issue for me, you know, just with the amount of money that I have into it. I didn't want to end up getting screwed over something stupid potentially happening. So on the car, I had State Farm, just liability on the car. Now, this is not a plan that I put into place because obviously I wanted full coverage, but when I went and got this car, we put my dad as the secondary on the title so I could potentially get insurance cheaper. I guess just thinking there was going to be full coverage on it. I don't know what happened if the insurance company recommended just liability, but there was just liability on the car for probably, I mean, a year now. And that just, I don't know, it just didn't fly with me. Like, I just have too much time, money, and effort into this car. And even if, like I've been saying, if something stupid happens, like, I don't know, there's like a ladder leaning on the house and it falls into a fender, like, I don't know, I just, with all instances, I'd rather them be covered somewhat than not at all. So I then switched over to Erie Insurance. Now, kid I used to go to high school with, he now works at his father's firm, and he was really easy to work with. And all in all, my coverage is good. My payment is really good. That was the thing. So I was paying State Farm, I mean, I don't even know if I can talk about this, $90 a month for just liability. I went to Erie, and this kid hooked me up with $121 for full coverage with a $500 deductible. So, like, that's pretty damn good. Like, I'm 20, I'm a guy, I'm the primary driver on the title and the primary driver on the insurance. Like, I was not expecting to be able to get something that solid. What's new coming for the car? I mean, nothing that I'm gonna honestly tell you because it's gonna spoil it. I have an exterior piece coming, which should be here within the week. I'm really excited to put that on. I just think it's gonna change the appearance as a whole. Also, as you can tell, I mean, I keep mentioning this in all the videos. I'm not even sure what you can see with the sun. I didn't realize the sun was so bad. But I don't have my shifter bezel in just because, like, I started taking the black off with ammonia and now it just looks like complete trash. And I don't even know if I should respray it. I'm trying to call shops to see if they'll even, like, repaint them for me, and not getting any luck with that. So honestly, right now, I don't really know what to do with them. Now I have a plan to, like, replace them with new ones, but those new ones are extremely expensive, and that's not an option I would really like to go with right now. Like, I don't want to have to spend that. I don't have that money right now, I should say. Like, even if I wanted to do it, I couldn't. These exterior pieces, or this exterior piece that I got for the car, was most of my funds until I can sell more parts. So another thing I kind of want to talk about with you guys, because it's coming up, and, like, until it happens, like, I'm not gonna, like, be recording a video on it. But my girlfriend Hannah, you guys know her, she records most of the videos. We've been together for about 5 years now, and we're finally at the point in our lives when we want to get our own place, and we're going up to State College. She's gonna finish her master's up there, and I'm still in school technically. It's like Penn State's online school, so that makes it extremely flexible for me in terms of honestly anything. Work, I mean, at work, where I move, where I live, what I do. It's just really easy for me to pick what I want to do, because this schooling is, I'm not gonna say it's easy because it's the same amount of work, but, like, I don't have to show up to class. Like, it's not even like there's Zoom sessions or anything. Like, I have assigned work, I get it done by a certain time, or I fail. It's simple as that. Anyways, I bring that up because we did find a townhouse in which we are highly interested in. Now, I told her our big thing is I need a garage. Like, I don't think it's selfish. Like, if I'm looking to put that extra money up, like, this is something that I want. Like, I feel like I need a garage for the car, for the channel, and I don't know, I've always wanted my own garage. I feel like that's That's fair, right? Anyways, it's a really nice place up at State College. I'm not familiar with the area. We went and checked it out like last month. Seems clean. And the best part is we pull into this apartment complex, and I'm not kidding, or townhouses, sorry. And there's literally like five O's, all modified, 2 new edges, a C8, an M8, and I was like, good lord. It's like, good lord, what is going on? So that was also a little nice feature. And then as soon as we roll out of the apartment complex, there's literally a 2 valve that just blows by us at like $120 with the exact same exhaust in this car. I was like, all right, what the hell is going on here? Oh, Jesus, here we go. Oh. Nothing happened here. I think that's so funny. I literally just tore it up to them and then popped it in 4th. We're doing like 40. By the way, this JLT filter, especially with this crisp like winter air, it is so loud. And like the car's NA and it is still loud. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Boss, what are you doing here, Chief? What are you doing? Guys, what are we doing? This Civic knows what's up. Oh. Dude, what are you doing, bro? Oh my God, you dickhead. There's this dude slamming on the brakes again. What is your issue, bro? Look at this, though. How pretty. All right, this guy's going left. You know what? I also want to go left. So I got that e-bike, right? Oh, shit. And I literally go like far on it. And last time I took a ride, I literally was on this road, which is, I mean, I'm like 10 miles away from home, at least. Anyway, so I e-bike up here, and I've always wanted to go on this road. Wow, this is terrible. What the did I choose to do? This is literally awful. I'm in the middle of the road. I'm gonna scrape if I go over here. Dude, that's not right. That's not right. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. All right, gonna slow her down here. I just scraped? On what? Okay, we might have some fun here. Oh, I know where I want to go. Sorry, I'm grand and shifting like a bitch right now. Hey, we saw that guy running. Damn, man, he made us some ground though, for real. So this is what I was looking at. There's like a parking lot down here, and well, the trees kind of suck ass now, but maybe we pop out here and grab a pick or two. I think this is all for the church, which is insane because I've literally never even seen this church. It's massive. This is a sick ass pic. Alright, you guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I fucking love you guys. I appreciate all the support you've been giving me lately. And I mean, YouTube's exponential. I see us growing, and the growth is exponential, which is good. And I appreciate everything you guys have been doing for me. I appreciate all the support, all the feedback on all the videos, you know, the interactions with the videos, likes, comments, everything like that. Thank you, you know, because you guys are making my life better every day, and I do appreciate it. I love what I do. I love making these videos, so hopefully I can make this my full-time gig at some point. I'm gonna stop being all sappy and shit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.